Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the almond stitch, the crochet almond stitch. This stitch is not a reversible stitch and it's multiple of 8 stitches plus 4. So let's make a chain multiple of 8. And once you have the length of the chain that you need, you have to add the chain 4. Now start with the row number 1. Row number 1, start with the chain 1 and make 4 slip stitches. 4 slip stitches. And then 4 half double crochet. 4 half double crochet. Then continue repeating to the end 4 slip stitches. And 4 half double crochet, 4 slip stitches and 4 half double crochet. You have to repeat to the end. And at the end you have to finish with 4 slip stitches. This is the first row. From the second row to the end, you have to make all the stitches taking the back loop only taking the back loop in the following rows. Start with a chain 1 and continue with 4 slip stitches. And 4 half double crochet. Four slip stitches, slip stitch on each slip stitch of the previous row. Remember, taking the back loops and 4 half double crochet, also taking the back loops. This is what you have to repeat to the end. And once you are at the end, you have to make 4 slip stitches. This is the second row. Row number 3. Start with a chain 2, turn, and remember, taking the back loops, you have to make For half double crochet, now the half double crochet on the slip stitch, and 4 slip stitches on the half double crochet, 4 slip stitches, and this is what you have to repeat to the end. Four half double crochet taking the back loops and 4 slip stitches taking the back loops. This is what you have to repeat to the end. And once you are at the end, you have to finish the third row with 4 half double crochet. Remember, taking the back loops. Row number 4, chain 2, turn, and repeat what you made on the row number 3. Start with 4 half double crochet, then 4 slip stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 4 slip stitches. Now half double crochet on the half double crochet and slip stitches on the slip stitches. Those are the 4 rows that you have to repeat to make the almond stitch. Row number 1 again. Now you have to change the slip stitches on the half double crochet, and the half double crochet on the slip stitches. On the second row you have to repeat the same stitches that you have, and on the third row you have to change again slip stitches on half double crochet and half double crochet on slip stitches. And this is what you have to repeat to the end to get the almond stitch. And remember that it is not a reversible stitch.